my teammate Vaishnavi. We built this day flow for Odo Hackathon. Today I am going to present our day flow, our human resource management system designed to make HR operations simpler, smarter, and more connected. So let me tell you why this day flow is important. Dayflow is a centralized human resource management system that brings important HR operations into a single platform. Instead of having separate system for employee information, attendance, leave, payroll, recruitment, and performance, a Dayflow is a connected workflow. The goal is very simple: one platform, one source of truth, smoother employee lifecycle. So let me go through our website. So this is the you can see the landing page. Now we'll enter into the web. Uh, we'll sign in again. If the user has a account, he'll sign using his mail. Otherwise, he'll need to create a one more account. So now we'll put the input for create our account. Okay. As I already have account, I'll go through my account. So I'll use my email and all. So now we'll sign into the HR account. Yeah, I'll say the password. So this is our HR dashboard. Here you can see admin dashboard, leave calendar, workspace, leave management. HR can see that, and he can analyze the all reports in a single. And he can also see the employee directory, payroll benefits, and document hub. And he can also do some settings and preference. Okay. Now I'll go to the admin dashboard. This is admin dashboard.
Okay, in this admin dashboard, you can change the dark mode or you can take the light mode, and there is a notification also. And you can see the total staff present today, absent today, on leave or pending, and all the bar chart, department wise employees, and you can also approve the leaves if you want, and HR can reject the leaves for some very good reason, and then he can also see recent organization activities. So in leave calendar, you can see all the academic calendar of the particular organization. So for all the, we can see all the departments here, and workforce and attendance. So on this present today, there are three attendance, and on leave there are two employee, and off day there is one partial. So leave management, he can approve the leaves or reject the leaves, and report analysis, analyze all the reports like leave and payroll. Employee directories, you can see all the employee that working in a particular company. He can also edit the employee details if he want, like any GitHub or profile picture. If you want to change, he can change. There is also payroll and benefits. There is gross, total gross salary, total deductions, and everything. Documentation hub, if there is a very good documentation, important documentation, then we can upload here, upload files with a name. Okay, and there is a setting here, profile picture, you can see, and security, new password and update password, everything. And now you can sign out. If you want, enter into, I can now show the employee dashboard now.
See this employee dashboard. Here you can see his workplace and leave calendar, and his attendance, his leave and time off, and his salary, payslip, and he can store his document in his document, and he can also do some settings and preference according to his desire. So now I'll go through his workspace at employee workspace. See, he can see his attendance and working hours, leave balance, and pending requests. And he can here he can do check in and check out all. He can start his day by clicking here, and he can see his how many vacations he took and sick and medical leaves he took, and he can also see the unpaid leaves available which are available or not, and he can also apply the leaves and or here he can see, and he can also see the access the recent activity which he is done by him. And we'll go next leave calendar, and he can access the calendar like whichever day what and all is there, and who took leave and important dates, and he can access. And the employee as employee he can make sure his attendance. He can start his start by clicking this. It will start till it take from here it will take attendance. When he'll enter into the office he can check in and do checkouts. Here we can clock out. Okay. He can see here is weekdays check in and check out, working hours, status, everything will be it will be seen well here as an employee without wasting any time. And he can see his leaves and timings and all. He can take a request HR to take a leave and all. And he can also see the approve and rejected by HR those pending requests, and he can see all requests which are visible here. So now here he can also access the his salary, whichever net salary he has and basic salary he got, and how much deduction is happened. And he can also download his pay slip, which is how many salary he got and how much is deducted. That all he can download, and he can also store his documents in this website. And there is a enable like he according to his compatible he can switch his dark light mode. There is a settings, and he can also made some settings in his profile. He can change his password and all.
Now it is a demo for how to apply for a leave. So there are some you can pick a date, how many working hours you want leave, and then I will say family function. Okay, submit a leave. So it shows now it is insufficient paid leave balance. You requested 8 days, but only 7 days remain. So you have only seven paid leaves, unpaid leaves. So if you have requested 8 days, then it will not give leaves. So I will reduce to 28 now. Then we'll see. Yeah, now leave request submitted. This is our website, Dayflow website. We use a frameworks like React.js, Vite, Tailwind, CSS, and for database we use PostgreSQL, and we store all the backend in Supabase and deploy through the Virtual app. Thank you for watching our demo.